Who can identify this sound? We're not going to taunt you by withholding the answer till the end of this record, but when you hear what it is, you won't believe it. At least you won't understand it. That sound came from this. I want to reveal to you in the next few minutes some of the fantastic intricacies of sound. Listen to the song this way. Do we dare try one more? Yes, sounds, to some extent, are what you're accustomed to hearing. And when you alter the familiar pattern of sound, an element of strangeness immediately appears. World of new sounds waiting to be heard. Now let's try an experiment. Here's the simplest and shortest tune we could think of.